You want to know the interesting thing about nature?
Yeah.
Something dies so that something else can live. When things are breaking down, leaves, branches and wood, when that breaks down, that becomes organic matter. So when that branch falls off, all the insects and the bugs, they break it down. They chew it up and they poop and they break it down into small pieces, and then that gets eaten by the fungi, and they turn a dead tree into organic matter. And the way you tell if a soil's really healthy is by the amount of organic matter that's in it. So that's a compost, and this is a garden soil that's living. So grab your little magnifying glasses there and gather round. So have a look close up in the soil. Put a piece on your hand and then have a look inside it. You might see some millipedes. You'll see the sand particles. You can see the little leaf stems.
I can see roots. There.
I can see bark.
Yep.
I found a bit of leaf.
Bit of leaf, yeah.
Some sticks in there. Oh,
Yeah.
I found a little leaf.
That's what I
Oh, I found a rock.
Excellent, keep looking, keep looking. You see that white part on the bark?
Yeah.
They're like fungal filaments and they're breaking it down. And then that becomes the soil, which feeds the tree or the plant, right? So it's all a big cycle. And you have a good dig around, so there's so many things. There's things digging in the soil, there's things digging into the wood chip, there's other things eating the things that are eating the other things. It's a battle going on underneath.